Hi everyone, this is Nayab Suhail and I am back with another exciting video. It starts with a very interesting question. Can you tell an English word that ends with letter J? Think. I remember I asked this question in my language class and one of the students came up with the answer Hajj. No. Hajj is an Arabic word. It is not an English word. The fact is that there is not even a single English word that ends with letter J. Although there are many English words that end with J sound, for example, fridge, badge, or dodge. But these words end with DGE, trigraph, instead of letter J. A trigraph is a group of three letters, but it produces only one sound. DGE produce only one sound, J. Look at the spellings of edge, ledge, badge, bridge, dodge, fridge, fudge, wedge, lodge, sledge, and knowledge, etc. The J sound at the beginning is written as J and the J sound at the end is written as DGE. For example, the word judge has two J sounds. The first J sound at the beginning is written as J and the second J sound at the end is written as DGE. Sometimes this sound comes in the middle. Break the word into syllables and use the same technique that if the J sound is at the beginning of the syllable, use letter J, and if the J sound is at the end of the syllable, use the trigraph DGE. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and share this video with your loved ones.